Hello, in this video we will see how to cast a PC screen to Google TV using Google Chrome browser. Instead of connecting it with HDMI, we can use Google Chrome to cast our PC to a TV screen. The first thing we need to do is to connect the PC and the TV to the same Wi-Fi network. After that, open a Google Chrome browser on the PC and go to the Google Chrome browser's menu and look for Cast. Click on Cast and then on Cast again, and Google Chrome browser should now scan for available TVs. Click on the sources to choose whether you want to cast the tab or the entire screen. I will choose cast screen for now. After you have made your choice, click on TV, and whatever is displayed on the laptop or the PC screen should now be visible on the TV screen. So now you can open a browser or you can play some videos, and whatever you do on the PC will appear on the TV screen. You might notice a little bit of lag between the PC and the TV screen, but in my testing it wasn't that much, and it also depends on your Wi-Fi network. Once you're done with the casting, you can stop the casting by opening the Chrome browser and clicking on stop, or you can also close the Chrome browser and then the casting will stop. So that's it. You can cast your PC screen to Google TV without using any cables by using Google Chrome. You just need to connect the TV and the PC to the same Wi-Fi, open Google Chrome and cast it from there. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.